Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to get 1000 plus Snapchat scores fast. First of all, go ahead and add up to 5 to 10 active friends, then send 10 snaps at once using multi-snap, and open every snap that you receive. Make sure to leave none, you can also fast spam it if you are not interested in looking at these snaps, but make sure to open it. Your streaks daily, so you can send a picture of anything. You can even send a blackout picture, you can send some text, you can use emojis, you can post yourself, you can send your friends, the nature, the view, anything you want, but just keep on sending it. Next, keep the app open for a minute. It updates score faster, and that's the last method. Safety tip: do not use score hacks, they get your account locked. Quick fix: create a private story and spam send to boost activity, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.